Before watching the video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel by clicking subscribe button and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we upload a new video. Carica papaya is the scientific name of the orange and green fruit known more commonly as papaya. It tastes sweet and has a soft texture that many find appealing. The seeds are also edible, although they're more bitter than the fruit itself. Papayas are originally from Central America. If you have dull skin or are feeling dehydrated, or just want to lose some weight, all you have to do is eat some papaya. It's the nature's medicine that can cure almost all of your health problems. 8 health benefits of papaya. 1. Good eye health. Papayas are loaded with vitamin A, an antioxidant which helps in improving eye health. Vitamin A protects the corneas, whereas the antioxidants reduce the degeneration of the retina. The delectable fruit provides an all-over vision protection and even improves it to a certain extent. A healthy consumption of papaya can actually prevent your eyesight from deteriorating and keep your vision perfect. 2. Aids digestion. With the amount of water and fiber content in the fruit, it would be surprising if it didn't aid digestion. Other than that, papaya also contains numerous enzymes which help break down the foods. Protects the tissues that line the digestive tract. Eating papaya an hour before or after a meal can aid in healthy digestion and help your body run smoothly. 3. Anti-aging. Skin is the largest organ of your body and it reflects the inner workings of your body. For healthy and glowing skin, include papaya in your daily diet. It's packed with vitamin A, vitamin C, plus vitamin E which provide quite a huge antioxidant dose. It makes the skin tighter and brighter, therefore, preventing wrinkles, sagging and dull skin. This wondrous fruit can do wonders for your skin and is a natural source of alpha-hydroxy acids. 4. Boosts immunity. Papayas are brimming with nutrients, and a collective advantage of them is the boost in immunity. The 200% of the recommended vitamin C present is the main contributor in boosting the immune system. Therefore, making your body thrive while fighting all types of infections and illnesses. 5. Helps in weight loss. Papaya is very low in calories, and the fiber present in it helps you feel full for longer. With a healthy digestive tract and immune system, papayas help in all-round weight loss. The natural fibers detoxify the body and cleanse it, thus keeping the body healthy and fit. Other than that, the seeds found within the fruit prevent your body from absorbing fats. Therefore, a handful of papaya seeds can aid in weight loss too. 6. Better kidney health. The potassium present in the fruit is a huge supporter of kidney health. It cleans out the toxins deposited in the kidneys and reduced the accumulation of uric acid in the blood. Papaya seeds also play an important part in keeping the kidney healthy. The presence of flavonoids in it helps in keeping the cells from degenerating and prevents the kidney from misfunctioning. 7. Great for diabetics. Although this tropical fruit is known for its sweetness, it's great for people who have diabetes or want to reduce the risks of getting it. The sweetness is natural and unlike other fruits. It has low sugar content as well as low glucose levels. Its filling nature ensures a satiated mind and body, and in the long run, stops you from craving foods that can be harmful to diabetic patients. With high-quality nutrients and various health benefits, it maintains blood sugar levels and cholesterol. 8. Better cardiovascular health. Rich in antioxidants and phytochemicals, papayas help in keeping the heart healthy and fight off heart diseases that might come your way. Plus, the vitamin C, fibers, and potassium promote healthy blood flow and keeps the arteries healthy. The maintenance of cholesterol also helps in warding off many heart diseases. Therefore, including a healthy diet of papayas is very important. Things to watch out for. Papaya is generally safe to consume, but some people may experience allergic reactions. Papaya has natural sugars, so if you need to avoid sugar for any reason, eat an amount that fits with your health needs. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more health benefits and tips, please subscribe to this channel. You can also watch other videos suggested just for you. Thank you for watching.